We had a client call us last week to schedule an initial consultation, and she asked, what happens if I'm partially at fault in this truck accident case, but the truck driver is also at fault in the accident case? Does it make a difference in the case? If you're watching this video, you may have a similar question. Georgia is a comparative negligence state, which means if the truck driver is 51% or more at fault in the wreck, then you can recover against the truck company. An example is if you go to trial and you get $1 million verdict against the trucking company, and the jury finds that the trucking company is 80% at fault and you're 20% at fault, that under the law of comparative negligence in Georgia, you would recover $800,000 from that jury verdict. If you have any questions about your truck accident case in Georgia, please give us a call. We'd be happy to help.